welcome to Adventure Crawling Off-Road. We figured we'd take the time to do a quick introduction. Myself, I'm Trent.
I'm Justin.
And on this channel, we're going to start doing a few different types of videos, from trail rides, which you may have already seen, to different rig walkarounds, and then we're also going to start a Mclean Creek Trail System series.
So you have all the knowledge of the area, how to get to every trail, the easy, hard routes that we've learned over the years of wheeling here, and also trails that we actually haven't done either because of washouts or just actually challenging parts and we stay away from, but we're gonna go through every single one.
Yeah, we'll go through them all. Again, show you the bypasses or the hard obstacles, and then ultimately we might have to do some trail maintenance as well, just to make sure that we can get through on the trail system. So we'll go through and we'll start at the trails. We'll try and mark off all the different numbers, and yeah, take you along with us. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow us along. So here with Justin, we're going to do a rig walk around of Cookie Monster. So to start off, Justin, how about you tell us about the front end?
All right, well, this is Cookie Monster. Basically, all the armor, front bumper, rear bumper, rock sliders are all Toy Factory, which is my company. I run a power plant 9.5 for the air compressor. It works great for airing the 40s up. Front axle is a rough stuff housing, basically FJ80 spec. 1UZ swap, R150 transmission to an Atlas 2-speed transfer case. Rear end is a 10.5-inch Tundra that I cut down and turned into a free flow Dana 60 outer. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. There's some little quirks and things that are obviously one-off pieces that I've done too, but that's pretty much Cookie Monster.
What do you got for tires, suspension, and wheels?
Well, I'm running the 40-inch Maxxis Razors. Wheels are the Trail Gear beadlocks, and suspension is 4-inch trail gears up front, 5-inch trail gear, leaf springs in the back with triple bypass boxes up front, and just a piggyback King in the rear. All right, next up we got Trent's Rubicon.
All right.
Trent, tell us about your Jeep.
So what I got here is a 2017 Jeep Rubicon. Ultimately, I got this Toy Factory Fab bumper that Justin's built me, a 9,500 pound Warren winch. As far as tires, I got the Maxxis Trepador 40-inch by 13.5 on a Monster Raceline beadlock. For suspension, I got a 4-inch Evil. That comes with all 8 adjustable control arms. For steering upgrades underneath, I got the Hydro Assist. Along with that, I got a lot of the Steer Smarts. So I got the tie rod, the drag link, and the track bar are all Steer Smarts. I got the TerraFlex heavy duty ball joints. And then outside of that, I got a Smitty built rear bumper, a Crawler Concepts tire carrier, and more or less the rock sliders again are built by Toy Factory Fab. I got 488 gears in the diff. I got the Adams drive shafts front and rear. Overall, it does pretty well.